अस्मद्गुरुपरम्परायै नमः। श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। पिता यस्यानन्तसूरिः पुण्डरीकाक्षयज्वनः पौत्रो यस्तनयस्तोतारम्बायास्तस्य मङ्गलम्. Namaskaram. By the compassionate grace of Lord Sriman Narayana, we are continuing to enjoy his Nama Vaibhavams. In this series, today let us enjoy the Vishnu Sahasranama slokas and the related namas from the slokas 36, 37 and 38. In these slokas, we are going to enjoy his Kalyana Gunas, his beauty and his divine wealth. Let us enjoy. Skandadharo duryo varado vayuvahanaha Vasudevo brihadbhanuradidev purandaraha. Skandaha, he who dries up, that is, destroys. He himself destroys the asuras and other evildoers. Skandadharaha, the supporter of Skanda. Bhagavan is the supporter of Skanda, the commander-in-chief of the army of gods. Dhuryaha, he who bears the whole world. Varadaha, he who bestows the required boons on the gods and others who have got to carry on the affairs of the world. Vayuvahanaha, he who has Vayu as his vehicle. Vasudevaha, he who pervades and sports. He is Vasu since he lives in the world, making it live within himself like a mother, and also protect it by covering it like a bird that protects its young ones with its outspread wings. Brihad Banuhu, he of profuse luster. He has eternal and radiant rays. Adidevaha, the first deity. Bhagavan, the Lord, plays with the world, creating and destroying it as he pleases. Purandaraha, the destroyer of cities. He destroys the cities of the asuras. Ashokastaranastara shura shaurir janeshwaraha Anukula shatavarta padmi padmanibhekshanaha. Ashokaha, the dispeller of sorrows like delusion, hunger and other bodily troubles. Taranaha, he who takes to the other shore as a boat. He rescues all from the fears of enemies, thieves and diseases. Taraha, the Savior. Bhagavan is called Taraha because by his very presence he saves all from the fears of samsara. Suraha, the valiant. By the name Suraha, the quality of having a desire for victory is signified. Shaurihi, the son of Sura, that is Vasudeva. Janeshwaraha, the Lord of the people. Anukulaha, he who is within bounds. By virtue of his greatness, he is devoid of wonder, conceit, and haughtiness, and does not transgress the limits of lordship. Shatavartaha, he of 100 whirlpools, that is, the overflowing riches of the Lord are signified. Padmi, he who has a lotus. He is invariably having a lotus with him for sport. Padmanibekshanaha, he of lotus-like glances. Padmanabhoravindaksha padmagarbhasharirabhrit mahardirdho vriddhatma mahaksho garudadvajaha. Padmanabha, he who has a lotus-like navel. Aravindakshaha, the lotus-eyed. He has 2 eyes lovely like the lotus. Padmagarbha, he who is installed inside the heart lotus of his worshippers. Sharirabhrit, the protector of his body, that is, his devotees. Mahardihi, he has boundless riches which are sufficient to bring about the well-being and protection of his devotees. Riddhaha, the prosperous. Bhagavan thinks that he is prosperous only when his devotees are prosperous. Vriddhatma, he of full-grown nature. Mahakshaha, he with a vehicle, that is Garuda, who is said to be the very embodiment of the Vedas. Garudadvajaha, Bhagavan is called Garudadvajaha since Garuda himself is the banner for Bhagavan. முடிச்சோதியாய் உன்முகச்சோதி மலர்ந்ததுவோ அடிச்சோதி நீ நின்ற தாமரையாய் அலர்ந்ததுவோ படிச்சோதியாடையொடும் பல்கலனாய் நின் பைம்பொன்னும் கடிச்சோதி கலந்ததுவோ திருமாலே கட்டுரையே கட்டுரையாக்கில் தாமரை நின் கண் பாதம் கையொவ்வா சுட்டுரைத்த நன்பொன் உன் திருமேனியொளியொவ்வாது ஒட்டுரைத்து இவ்வுலகுன்னை புகழ்வெல்லாம் பெரும்பாலும் பட்டுரையாய் புற்கென்றே காட்டுமால் பரஞ்சோதி. Nammalvar enjoys the beautiful radiant beauty of Embirman in his Thiruvaimozhi. Did the radiance of your divine face rise upwards to become the radiance in your divine crown? Did the radiance of your divine feet spread downwards to become the radiance in the lotus flower where you stand? Did the radiance of your well-spread beautiful waist spread downwards and upwards with the naturally radiant cloth and the divine ornaments you wear? Since you are the Lord of Sri Mahalakshmi, as you are the one who is the controller of words and meanings, mercifully explain this to me to remove my doubts. Alvar soaks himself in the beauty of Lord Sriman Narayana at Tirumalirincholai. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana.